How's it going, everybody? It's Doyle here from Premier RV, and today we are going over the 2023 Ember Overland 221 MBD. This travel trailer rides on Tandem Independent Suspension and maximizes your sleeping and living space. With a Murphy bed and 2 double bunks, it sleeps up to 8 people, and the slideout adds lots of living space for your family. With a length of 26 feet 1 inch, you'll get into nearly every national park. And with a gross vehicle weight rating of just under 7,000 pounds, you can tow it with most pickup trucks and quite a few SUVs. Comes standard with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof and a 1,000-watt inverter, but this one's upgraded with the Max Solar package, which has 2 additional 200-watt solar panels for a total of 600 watts of solar, an upgraded 3,000-watt inverter, and a 270 amp hour 12-volt battery-borne game-changer lithium-ion battery. So you can go off-grid comfortably and with ease. It's got a 5-sided aluminum frame construction, radiant heated enclosed underbelly, and 12-volt tank heaters, ensuring you're always going to be comfortable. It's got Transcore composite flooring and Asdel onboard composite panels in the walls and the rooftops. 50% lighter than wood, more durable, and there's going to be no water damage. It's equipped with the jackknife sofa, which folds down for the queen Murphy bed. Tons of flexibility. You probably have kids since this is a bunkhouse. One thing they love to complain about is not enough seats. That's not going to be a problem with this one. This gives you 2 more extra seats and tons of flexibility. When it's nighttime, you can go stargazing with the Stargazer skylight. Gives you beautiful views during the day or at night. It's also got the European dual pane acrylic windows with integrated shades and screens. It's got a jackknife sofa with a removable dinette. Converts into a bed that can sleep up to 2 people. Storage behind overhead, and it's also got these nifty little compartments, very crafty and out of sight, maximizing your storage every chance it can. It's got 32-inch TV with storage above and below. It's got hardwood cabinet doors and drawer faces all throughout this unit. In the kitchen, tons of storage space. It's got the microwave up top, 2-burner cooktop below that, and to the left, bowl-style stainless steel sink with the faucet. This unit has a 2-door, 10 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge, and the bunkhouse has double bunks. You can sleep up to 2 people on each, and it's got storage down below, and you can just lift this up like this, and it gives you more height for some taller items you're going to store, and it's got that back door as well. Into the bathroom shower with the skylight, and it's got the Shower Miser fresh water saver to optimize your fresh water usage. Tons of bathroom storage. It's got the sink and the medicine cabinet. Tons of room overall for all your toiletries. Nice little outdoor kitchen with a mini fridge and a griddle, perfect for cooking outside on a hot summer day. Tandem axle with 16-inch nitrogen-filled Goodyear Wrangler tires, and the Kurt suspension system for a smoother ride. Pass-through storage with tons of space for all your items. And in the pass-through storage, this is where you control your solar. Gearbox on the front with LP storage and another lockable storage compartment for the rest of your items that can't fit. And on the off-door side, battery disconnect with the convenience center and an outdoor shower. On the back side, spare tire, pre-wired for a backup camera, and a door that leads you straight to the underbed storage. And a Lippert on-the-go ladder, which you can store in your RV. This RV is perfect for any family, especially if you plan on going off-grid. Your kids are going to love it. You're all going to be comfortable. You're going to make memories that last a lifetime. We've got this one on sale, so check out our website for the most up-to-date pricing, premierrv.com, or call the number on screen, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. I'll leave all that information in the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.